Earn money selling products on Amazon. Are you looking for a way to start earning money online? Selling products on Amazon could be the perfect opportunity for you. Whether you're interested in starting your own business or creating a side income, Amazon's massive platform offers countless opportunities to make money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start selling products on Amazon and turn it into a profitable venture. Step 1. Choose what to sell. The first step to selling on Amazon is choosing the right products. Focus on niche products that have demand but not too much competition. You can use tools like Amazon's Best Sellers list or product research tools like Jungle Scout to help you identify popular products. Think about what you're passionate about or where you see gaps in the market. Step 2. Decide how to sell. FBA versus FBM. There are two main ways to sell on Amazon: Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, and Fulfillment by Merchant, FBM. With FBA, Amazon handles storage, shipping, and customer service, making it easier for you to manage your business. You simply send your products to Amazon, and they take care of the rest. With FBM, you handle everything, from shipping the products to managing customer service. This gives you more control but requires more effort. Step 3. Set up your Amazon seller account. Next, you'll need to create an Amazon seller account. Amazon offers two plans. The individual plan is great if you're just starting and plan to sell fewer than 40 items a month. The professional plan is best for more serious sellers who are looking to scale up. It comes with more features to help grow your business. Step 4. Source your products. Once you've decided what to sell, it's time to source your products. You can source products from wholesalers, manufacturers, or even private label items, products you brand yourself. You can also sell used items through Amazon's marketplace. Step 5. List your products. Now it's time to list your products on Amazon. Make sure you write a detailed and compelling product description. Include high-quality images and use relevant keywords in your listing. This will help your product rank higher in Amazon search results and attract more customers. Step 6. Promote and optimize your listings. To boost your sales, you'll need to promote your products. You can use Amazon's built-in advertising tools like sponsored products to target specific customers. Additionally, optimizing your listings with keywords and getting positive customer reviews will help improve your visibility and sales. Step 7. Monitor performance and scale. Once you start selling, regularly monitor your performance. Use Amazon's analytics tools to track sales, customer behavior, and inventory levels. As you grow, you can expand your product range, improve your supply chain, and scale your business. Selling on Amazon can be a lucrative business opportunity if you're willing to put in the effort. By choosing the right products, optimizing your listings, and taking advantage of Amazon's tools, you can start earning money and grow a successful business on this global platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.